welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be on vacation back in front of the camera, bringing you guys another all-inclusive, all new and all adults only property here in Cancun, Mexico. It is called the Hyatt Vivid Grand. It is a brand new property. They just opened a little over 3 months ago. So I am here at the beach club and check out these amazing views. You can see how the waves are just crashing. It is so beautiful. It is a sight to see. And the Hyatt Vivid Grand, you guys, has no shortage of amazing views. So we're gonna head on to the rooftop. It is the longest rooftop pool in Cancun. So if you stay here, hey, make sure you check that out. Alright friends, so now that you've seen one of the restaurants up here, I'm going to show you where they have the gym. Alright, so you all may have noticed that there are no mats in the gym, but one of their activities that comes with being a guest here is they do offer yoga sessions that happens in the morning, which they're doing right across the way. Now that we've seen this amazing rooftop view, I'm going to show you all my room, which also has an amazing view as well. Come on in. All right, so welcome. When I arrived to my room, I was pleasantly surprised. Sometimes you book a room and you just kind of forget about it and like how it's supposed to look. To the right, we have this wonderful full-length mirror. And we keep walking down this narrow little way here, and we have this beautiful cabinet. You open up the cabinets, and as you can see, I've already got myself organized. You guys know how I like to put my clothes out in the closet. So they have some great hangers. They have some bedding here. Down below is the baggage, the area where you place your bags. They have also placed an umbrella in here because for a day or so it is supposed to rain while I'm here, so I appreciate that. What else do they have here? They have the steamer. Now you guys, I don't know about the steamer, okay? I was raised with an iron and ironing board, so I have no idea how the steamer is supposed to work, but I need some help because I do need to get a little bit of these wrinkles out. What else do they have? They have a laundry bag in here. They also have a robe, but I was disappointed because where are the slippers, okay? Like, y'all, they go together, yin and yang. And then on the other side, they have your safe here, and they also have a fridge. So once again, they don't have any snacks, although that wouldn't be in the fridge, but just FYI, they don't have any snacks, all beverages. Then they have this nice coffee/tea area, a place for you to get your ice. And I also thought that this was very nice that they have a little wine cooler here. So that's new, that's a first. I've never seen that in a hotel room. They also have some drawers if you would like to put your things in. Now this is also new. They have some envelopes and some paper. So are we writing letters now in 2024 and sending them off to our loved ones? I don't think so, y'all. What are we doing? I'm gonna FaceTime you. That's what we're doing. I don't know. And then they don't even have any pens or pencils. So once again, that's like, where's the yin to the yang? I don't know. What else do they have? Oh, just another drawer to put your things. This long shelving here. They do have the TV. I have yet to turn that on, so I don't know if it's a smart TV or not, but you know, I always bring my laptop, so I'm never without my Netflix. They have a nice little sitting area for you. And then if we keep on going, they have more of a little cushiony area. So that over there would just kind of like sit down and have your breakfast or something. But this is more of a comfortable sitting situation. And then we have our king size bed. Okay, and now with the king size bed, I forgot to mention something to you all. This lighting situation is one that I've never seen. Like the wording of this, okay, let's see. So they have the shower light. Okay, we got that. The bathtub light. Okay, but romance? We're getting the romance lighting going on here. So I really like this little element here. I'm liking the oval mirror with the lighting around it. Very luxe. We have our free bottles of water. We have our magnifying mirror here. We have 2 double sinks. We have the scale down here, some towels, and the hairdryer as well. Then over here we have our shower. I like how it's enclosed. There is 2 shower heads. We got uno and we got dos. Oh, okay, but it's just me, so I'm just pick one and stick with it. Okay, how about that? All right, and then there's the toilet, but I don't need to show you guys that. Nothing's too spectacular. Let's take you guys outside. Cause the view out here, honey. Very impressive. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Okay. Alrighty, so I think over here behind me, they're building another property. I think that's gonna be more like a family friendly, but don't quote me, I'm just staying over here, adults only, okay? So if you all are interested in this room, it is called the Junior Suite Bay View King, and it is the least expensive. It was the most affordable option for me. And you know, hey, no complaints here. I have an amazing view, I'm good. What do you guys think? Would you book this room? So continuing with this tour, we're gonna go down to the food and beverage floor where I will show you all a few of the many restaurants that they offer here. This is a restaurant where I had my first dinner, and let's go ahead and take a look inside. Down and I started with a small salad accompanied by a passion fruit mojito, which was my favorite. Then I had the beef tenderloin, and I can say that unfortunately the best thing about this meal for me was the carrot. My second dinner was at a restaurant called Aglio, not too far from Lely's, literally right next to each other, and this is the Italian restaurant. Sucker for their velvet seating. Any velvet furniture I love. So I sat down and I started with an amazing Caesar salad. I could have that Caesar salad again. Followed by sopa de mascaro, which is kind of like cioppino, seafood soup. And then I had the stuffed pizza, also accompanied by another mojito. This time it was a strawberry mojito. Wasn't as good as the passion fruit, but by far this has been one of my favorite meals. So the next restaurant we have is right across the way. It is called Galleria Internacional, and it is more of your buffet style. They're open for breakfast, I believe lunch, and of course dinner. So let's go see what the buffet breakfast has to offer. just 3 of the many restaurants that they offer. There still is another restaurant that's located downstairs. It's a Mediterranean restaurant, and I'm gonna take you all there. That is the place where I had lunch for the first time when I arrived. And you guys, after stepping off the elevator and down to the main level, these doors, double doors, were open. And you will see something that I don't think I've seen at any resort. This is the Moet Champagne vending machine. I don't know how much it costs, but I think that would be a nice little souvenir that you can have and leave with after visiting the resort. Now, before we go to the Mediterranean restaurant, I do want to show you all this 24 hours a day little cafe. It is called the Coco Cafe, and here you can get your coffee fix if you want a little pastry. Okay, so it's looking like you can create your own smoothie, and these are the toppings here. Okay, you can get your water and your coffee. So once again, this is a little lobby area where Coco Cafe is located, and you can just hang out and wait for your friends, wait for your family, and just kind of lounge. You can also get yourself a beverage here at the bar. Now I'm going to show you, I know I said I'm going to take you guys to the restaurant, but I forgot there's a few things leading up to the restaurant, such as the cafe, and then we have the gift shop. Hola, buenos días. All right, now behind me, these gentlemen are very vital to your transportation, okay? So let me tell you guys, Uber does not go to the airport. So I would highly suggest hooking up with Amstar, okay? You can go on their website, you can book your transportation for as little as $15, $15 flat, no tax, no fees. So that is exactly what I did. You can book it online, or you can go speak to one of these gentlemen here. And they also offer amazing tours too. So if that's your thing, come down here, get hooked up with one of them, and they will happily help you. Now let's go to the restaurant. At Mediterraneano, the lady took me to my seat. I was able to see a little bit of the pool area outside. I started with the quiche, which I loved, and then my next meal was the octopus, and it was very good. It was just extremely spicy. I would not recommend that. Hola! Hola! I would not recommend that if you have a sensitive stomach. Now that we've seen one of the many restaurants, let's go outside and enjoy one of the many pools that they have. So the property has 3 pools, 2 on the main level, and of course the rooftop. Now I showed you all the restaurants. Oops, I forgot Dalia, the Mexican restaurant. I recommend the duck tacos, but a hard pass on the passion fruit margarita. It left me extremely sick after returning home. But they do offer 2 more little eateries that are kind of like their little trucks. So we are going to go there, and you'll also see they have this nice little walking area, great for taking your photos. However, it is not shaded, so right now the sun is not on me, which is nice, but in the middle of the day it's not the place to be because there is no shade, you guys. Behind me here is Vivid Bites, and this is where they serve tacos, and they also have a ceviche spot. Not interested in going in one of the restaurants, you're just hanging out by the pool and want to get a quick bite to eat, you can do that here. Off to the distance, you can see a completed basketball court and a tennis court in the making. So right now it is a little after 9 o'clock, I believe, so not everybody is at the pool as of yet. But as you can see, they have the umbrellas already set up to shield you from the sun. You have your towel, so you don't have to worry about bringing that. And then in the back, you can kind of see that I think when it gets to be a little bit more crowded and the hotel is filled up, they offer these private little cabanas back here. They put the chairs away, but I believe those come at an additional cost. But for right now, you don't have to worry about that. They have plenty of beach loungers for all of their guests. One of the things that I want to tell you guys about that I believe is very vital if you're going to visit this resort, and that is the Hyatt Inclusive app. Array of information regarding everything about the resort. So it's going to say, general hotel information. So say for example, you click on housekeeping. So it'll say the time of the housekeeping and then the different things that they offer. Another thing that they have is the hotel activities. Click on that, it'll tell you what the activity is, the time that it starts, as well as the location. And another thing that I found is it's called the Press Reader. Being a guest here, it gives you an array of online reading materials, and find that all in the app. Alright you guys, so I am about to go to the beach club, and I just been informed that in order to go there you have to come to these ladies here and they will give you a wristband with the time that the shuttle departs, because the beach club is not technically at the property. So let's go do that now. So here we are. I took the first shuttle that left for the beach club. The first shuttle leaves at 10 a.m. So I'm excited. Ooh, let me show you. Just had to finish up a nice little lunch here at the beach club. I do recommend nachos, not so much the shrimp tacos, but the nachos on point. All right, so the beach club, there is no outlets for your cell phone, so make sure you charge it at 100%. Wi-Fi check, we're good there. So continuing from where I left off at the beach club, I just was talking about the room. There is no smart TV. So the resort does have a spa, and the massagers, there's only 3, and they range in cost from $100 to I believe like $200. I don't think that their spa facility is up and running, but they do just have a designated space where you can get massages. So I'm about ready to pack my bags and get out of here, you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, life could be only what you make it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.